Welcome back to Immigration Info today. We have an exciting update for those planning to immigrate to the United States in 2023. U.S. immigration authorities have introduced a groundbreaking change by waiving interviews for certain U.S. visa applicants. Let's delve into the details of this significant development. Explanation of the new policy. To start off, let's understand what this new policy entails. The U.S. government has decided to waive the interview requirement for specific visa categories. This move aims to streamline the visa processing system and reduce the backlog of applications at the National Visa Center, NVC, and U.S. consulates worldwide. Eligibility criteria for waived interviews. You might be wondering who qualifies for this interview waiver. As of 2023, U.S. authorities have outlined specific criteria for eligible applicants. Generally, the following categories may be exempted from interviews. 1. Renewals. Applicants renewing visas in the same category may qualify for an interview waiver under certain conditions. 2. Children and elderly applicants. Those below a certain age, usually 14, or above a certain age, usually 79, might be eligible for an interview waiver. 3. Diplomatic and official visa applicants. Government officials traveling for official purposes could also be exempted from interviews. NVC and consulate decision. The decision to waive interviews rests with the National Visa Center and the U.S. consulates processing applications. They will carefully review each case and determine if an interview is necessary based on eligibility and documentation. It's important to note that, even if you meet the criteria, a consular officer may request an interview if they believe it's necessary for a thorough assessment. Benefits of interview waivers. This new policy offers several advantages to applicants and immigration authorities. Firstly, it accelerates visa processing time, enabling eligible applicants to receive their visas sooner. Secondly, it eases the burden on consulates and embassies facing backlogs due to increased immigration applications. Moreover, it spares applicants the stress and inconvenience of attending an interview, especially if they are in remote locations far from the nearest consulate. How to apply for interview waiver. If you meet the eligibility criteria, the process to apply for an interview waiver is relatively straightforward. However, it's crucial to follow U.S. authorities' instructions carefully. 1. Complete visa application form. Fill out the appropriate visa application form for your category, providing accurate information and required documents. 2. Check eligibility. Review the eligibility criteria for interview waivers on official U.S. government websites or consult an immigration attorney to confirm your eligibility. 3. Interview waiver confirmation. If you meet the criteria, the NVC or U.S. consulate will notify you of your eligibility for the interview waiver after reviewing your application. 4. Submit documents. Provide all required documents specified by the NVC or consulate, including your passport, visa application form, supporting documents, and any additional forms or fees. 5. Wait for decision. After submitting your application and documents, await the NVC's or consulate's decision. If the interview waiver is approved, you'll receive further instructions. Exceptions and considerations. While the interview waiver policy is a significant development, not all visa categories qualify for this exemption. Certain visa types, such as employment-based, family-based, and immigrant visas, may still require an interview as part of the standard process. Additionally, the interview waiver is not guaranteed, even if you meet the criteria. Consular officers retain the right to request an interview if they believe it's necessary for thorough eligibility evaluation. Furthermore, this policy is subject to change and may be modified by the U.S. government based on evolving immigration needs and security considerations. Therefore, staying updated with the latest information from official sources is crucial. Thank you for tuning in to Immigration Info. We appreciate your support and will continue to bring you the latest updates and insights on U.S. immigration. Stay hopeful, stay informed, and until next time.